Good morning, everybody. So today I've actually headed to the World of Concrete trade show. It's the third time I've gone to the trade show in the last 6 years, and every time I go, I'm always going to meet vendors and see new technologies in the concrete industry and that sort of thing, and a lot of networking, which I really enjoy. So I'm in St. Thomas right now, U.S. Virgin Islands. Came over from Tortola on the ferry this morning, catching my flight to Newark, New Jersey, and then from Newark I'm going to Vegas. So I land about 10:30 tonight, Las Vegas time. So I'm going to be vlogging most of this journey. The guys are in Virgin Gorda right now. They started back in Virgin Gorda grinding the floors. So they're getting all the rooms set up and the machinery set up on day one, after 2 weeks working on Tortola. So that's what's going on right now, and I need to go through security and get on my plane. I'm standing outside the window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, put my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. One thing I'm not really looking forward to is the weather. It's about 85, 90 degrees right now in St. Thomas, and I believe it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit in Las Vegas. So I packed for it, but you can never really prepare yourself from going to the Caribbean to going to cold weather. Not fun. This is St. Thomas Airport. Good morning, everyone. First day World of Concrete trade show in Las Vegas. And last night when I arrived at the hotel, they told me that they gave me a better room instead of the one I originally ordered or booked, which wasn't the case. The view was terrible, and it was like of dumpsters in the parking lot, and they just didn't have the room that I originally booked available. So this morning I went back, asked for the room again. They had it. I changed rooms, and now look at the view. Got a Ferris wheel, some mountains. Oh yeah, sunrise. And down there, I'll go down there in a bit, is like a garden area, and there's actual pink flamingos in it. Like real life pink flamingos. It's like 40 degrees out. I'm sure they're freezing, but anyways, yeah. Day one, baby.
Hey, how you doing? I'm sitting here with my pal. He's purchased some stuff from us in the past, and so he's got me doing a vlog here, right?
Yeah, vlog.
So I'm not a big social media guy, but my company is. We got 7 full-time guys in marketing and doing business intelligence. We got 5 of them actually: the Concrete Protector, Warrior Equipment, Scientific Polishing, Sanitred, and Match Badge Pro. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube.
What handle? What's the best one?
The Concrete Protector is probably the best. And we also have the Decorative Concrete Kingdom, so you can learn at home in your own country in your pajamas.
Nice.
So Decorative Concrete University, I'm sorry.
So you have Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook.
Yep, Pinterest. We're all over the place. Got 7 people doing it all the time.
All right,
They know it better than I do.
check them out, guys.
Hi, I'm Tracy. And I'm Danielle, and we're the Cement Sisters. Follow us on Instagram to see amazing waterfalls. We do all kinds of caves, slides, and we build it ourselves. Yeah, with the big strong muscles.
Nice.
Add painter muscles.
Good morning, everybody. Day 2 of the Concrete Trade Show. Yesterday was great. I learned a lot, sat in on a few meetings with Tim and Landon. And yeah, doing more of the same today, meeting with vendors, trying to find some new technology or services that we can introduce in the BVI. And I just found the price today to go drive a Lamborghini around the racetrack. I've always wanted to do it. I love Lamborghinis. So stay tuned for that. Really cool. Fun activity in Vegas that I've never done before. First time in a Lamborghini. Wanted to do this a long time. Should be interesting.
Forward to the orange zone. Up one. Now no more shit. Full throttle. Straighten your wheel. We're doing good. We're doing good. Keep your focus because you're doing fantastic. Tight to your apex. Good. Accelerate. Slowly straight. There you go. Full throttle. Now just lift. Accelerate towards the orange ones on the left.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the first episode of the vlog. I'm new to this, I'm still learning, but I'm very excited to document this entire journey. So we're at about 65 subs right now on YouTube, and we need 100 subs in order to customize our URL to Concrete BVI, which all our other social media platforms already have. So remember to hit the subscribe button here, and yeah, continue to watch if you're interested. Thanks, bye.